A claimed Russian Tu-22M3 Bomber has been destroyed in Soltsy airbase. That's around 650 km from Ukrainian territory and lies closer to Estonia. The attack was carried out by at least one drone, while Russia claims the bomber was damaged. Leak photo indicates a different story, showcasing the bomber engulfed in flames. This loss will not only lower a limited number of these planes, that is around 60, but also has a heavy cost of around $300 million, leaving one less for tomorrow. Also showcasing Ukraine's capability to do precision strikes far into Russian territory, evading Russia's surface-to-air missile systems time after time, which cost them heavily in equipment and showcasing weakness. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.